Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And I have Blue right here, and this is our Fab Fit Fun Mystery Bundle Battle that we pretty much do monthly. Over the holidays, we're going to take a little bit of a change. So we're doing this now here at the end of October, beginning of November. This lasts for 2 weeks once we air it. And then we're going to skip until January, y'all, because of all the holiday stuff that comes up. And I do apologize because my dishwasher is running and it's a long story. It's hard to stop it. So I hope that's not too loud. I have a mystery bundle in front of me. It is tiny. But what I try to do when I buy my mystery bundles, I put them in this cabinet right here, and or whatever you call this little pantry. And I try to pull out the oldest one first because I only have 2 in there right now. So this one I pulled out, and let's see what's in it. I will tell you first though, excuse me, I'm a little messed up. I apologize. The boys messed me up, y'all. Okay. Oh, I laugh at myself. This battle is with JM Unboxing and More. That is Johana. And Johana is just one of the loveliest people you'll ever meet. If you don't know her, please go see her channel. You'll have to win this giveaway, my giveaway or her giveaway, you'll have to be subscribed to me. You'll have to be subscribed to her publicly. And she's just a sweetheart of a lady, and she is super, super busy. I don't know how she gets it done. I don't know how she gets it done, but she does. She has a successful channel, and she has a family, and she is just busy, busy, busy. She works a full-time job, and yeah, she's busy, busy, busy. So I hand it to her for doing all this, it's just lots of fun. And y'all seem to really enjoy it, so that's why we keep doing it. And all right, so I think I have a few rules. You know, my rules are always in the description. Now, Johana's may be a little bit different than mine, so always look at hers as well. Listen to what she says. Might be very different. Usually we tell you who won our giveaways at the same time. I do a video and she does a community tab, usually. But again, do what she says. For my giveaway, you have to be 18 years or older. You have to have a continental United States address for me to mail this to. You can live anywhere in the world, but I have to be able to mail it somewhere in the continental United States. And what I'm going to do is show you what I have. We ask you to vote on the actual bags. Do you want what would you use most? Let's put it that way. What would interest you most? What I have or what Johana has? And then we'll also get you the values of everything. Now, I usually do this blind. You know, I can see the bag, you know, but I don't usually look at it until I'm looking at it with you. So I'll come back with pricing. So I've taken everything out. I have 4 items. Usually the bags are $29 usually, and you can only buy them through Fab Fit Fun. You have to be a member of Fab Fit Fun to buy these bags. And they promise you a value of $100+, and you will get 3 to 4 items. Now, sometimes they put something in a package and you might get 2 or 3 items within that package, but it counts as 1. So we will see what I have. I sometimes forget to show you my bag number. They all have numbers, and let's see, mine is 2203 MYS 016. Now, this means from 2022 and the 3rd season, I think is what that means. That would be fall. Boo, maybe my other bag, I have another bag, and that probably should be a summer bag then. So I might have grabbed the wrong bag. I try to put them in order. So, but anyway, you'll see that one next. And then 016. Now, if you have this bag, you may have the same things. You may not have the same things. It used to be you'd always have the same things, but that's not always the case anymore. So you may have 1 or 2 items the same. You may have different items. So anyway, let's see what I got. I'm going to start off with, this is, well, I can't even tell. Concentrated Naturals Vitamin C Cream. Okay, it has shrink wrap around it, so I'm not going to open it. It says concentrated there, and then underneath that in very light letters it says naturals. So Concentrated Naturals, that must be the brand name, and it's a vitamin C cream, and it is in a not a clear jar, so that's good for vitamin C. You want vitamin C to be kept from the light. It says apply evenly to clean, dry face, neck, and chest. Can be used twice daily, okay? And yeah, Concentrated Naturals is the manufacturer's name. I personally have never heard of them. They're in Boca Raton, Florida, okay? So that is that. Vitamin C is great to have. So next I have this. Now see, here's an example. There are 3 items in here, but that counts as 1 item, okay? This is from the brand To The Market. This is a Fab Fit Fun brand. They use this a lot. They have beautiful textiles. They have, I've gotten before, you know, gloves that you use to put things in and out of the oven, dish towels and things like that. Their fabrics are very pretty. This looks like it was for 4th of July or, you know, that kind of thing. It says, buy the change you want to see. We are on a mission to create products that empower people and protect the planet. We believe in a dignity of work, empowerment through employment. We connect makers around the globe to people like you. Okay, that's cool. Now these are really cute. They're scrunchies, but you know, I'm not gonna use scrunchies, but look how cute they are, y'all. It's all like 4th of July, Labor Day, you know, holiday time. This is a red and white stripe. This is the stars for the, you know, for the flag. And then a pink, they call that gingham. I mean, not pink, red gingham. These are adorable, but I won't use them. So they'll go in a future giveaway, most likely. And then I have, oh, this is an interesting. This is the Moroccan Gold series. Now I know this is expensive because I've had this brand before, not necessarily this item. Let me show it to you. Look at that. The way that packaging is, it's shaped like that on purpose. It's not dented. That is what it looks like there. It's Moroccan Gold series argan oil for all hair types, made with pure Moroccan argan oil. It's sulfate free. This is 1.7 ounces. Let's open it and see what it looks like. A lot of people love argan oil for their hair. My hair is fine and thin, and I've never tried it, but I think it's more for if you have thicker hair and heavier hair. That's what I think. I wouldn't put oils on my hair. This is a nice brown glass bottle, and that's quite a bit, you know, so this is nice. And that Moroccan Gold series, like I said, I know it's valuable. I will find the pricing here when I'm done here. And so that is nice. Not my thing, but nice. And then the last thing I have is from the brand Chic and Tonic, and that's something that Fab Fit Fun does have a lot of. In fact, some of their fall items, or their winter items, fall's already happened. Some of their winter items are Chic and Tonic. Actually, one of my fall items was Chic and Tonic. These are reusable lunch bags. These are really cool. There's a set of 3. It says Summer 2021 collection on it. So see, it's from older collection. This is, I'll have to open it to show you. These are really cool. I have, oops, break that open there. A lot of people, I've seen people get these. I've never had them before. Let's see how there's 3 of them. They're like Ziploc bags, but they're washable. So I will use these. Okay, they open, you can put a sandwich in here, see, Ziploc. And they're silicone, a thin silicone, and they're super cute. You know, one side is plain, and then the other side has the slices of vegetables on it. I mean, no, oranges and limes and whatever. You can put a sandwich in here and then seal it up, take it to work, you know, or you could put leftover anything. You could put soup in here because it is leak-proof because of the Ziploc. I don't know how much soup it would hold, but you know, leftover potato salad, whatever, things like that. So that's what that is. So let me come back with pricing. The argan oil is valued at $34. And there are people that swear by that. Like I said, I don't use it myself. The vitamin C, Concentrated Naturals vitamin C cream is valued at $55, which I figured that was going to be a high price item since it was in this bag, this sort of dismal bag. The Chic and Tonic reusable bags, which are super cute. I think this would be cute to put in some homemade candies too and give as a gift to someone for Christmas. I like those, are cute. That's valued at $14. That one makes sense to me for those reusable. Now this, to the market, it was really hard to find a price on these, really hard to find a price. But y'all, they say these are valued at $38. No, I think these are valued at $1, maybe $1 a piece. I'll give them $1 a piece. How's that? I'll give them $1 a piece from the Dollar Tree. Oh, $1.25. So $3.75 will add. So anyway, though, with my other 3 products, I came to $103, and then add $1 or $2 or $3, $3.75 to get your total for this bag. So I tell you something, y'all. Johana's going to have a pretty miserable bag not to win. Johana has been very fortunate. She's been getting beautiful bags. I won't say that I don't. I get a lot of nice bags too, but this might be, well, I have had worse bags. I have had worse bags, but this is a dismal bag. Dismal. Anyway, I mean, somebody's going to love these little scrunchies. I really do love that they're, you know, patriotic. They're going to go in a giveaway. You know, most everything here is going to go in a giveaway. I may keep this vitamin C cream because I don't have any vitamin C cream right now that I know of. But like I said, I never heard of it. But $55 to me means it's got to be something that, I mean, it gets good reviews. So, and like I said, I will use these. And so say if you want to be entered in my giveaway, it's not a secret, but let's just say something different than the usual. Let's say oil, OIL, if you'd like to be involved in this giveaway. And it will end in 2 weeks. Here's my beautiful smudge. He's the prize. Not really. I mean, he's my prize, but dismal bag, y'all. But please go see Johana and give her a vote. And you know, this I believe is our 19th battle, and we lost track about 16 or 17 who was winning. I don't know. I won a few, and Johana won a few, and we're just having fun, y'all. So we're just happy you're here and that you enjoy it. And thanks for stopping by. And like I said, this will end for me, well, usually for both of us, in 2 weeks. I don't know the dates, but I'll put them in the description, okay? Thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings. Bye-bye, y'all.